Okay, so we're back, and what I'm doing is, I don't want to flip it over just yet, but what I'm doing is painting the top. So you can't see when you go by on the train. You don't want to be looking out into this muddy background or whatever. So we're just taking some paint. It's really watery. Actually, I think I'm going to add some blue to it because it's just too watery. So let's see what we can do here. My water over here. Set that there, I hope. No, it's not going to stay. Alright, well, we'll put it somewhere. Maybe I'll hold it. So, hopefully our acrylic paint is mixed up enough here. Blue, that'll work. So I'll just squeeze some of that in here. If it didn't dry out. Maybe it did. Alright, well. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, this paint may be too blue, too dry. Okay. We'll see if we can get it to squeeze out anything here. I hear something. One paint is too wet, the other paint is way too dry. So, as we work on this here, no, I do not have the rights to the music, although I wish I did. It is the Grand Canyon Suite, as you would hear if you were riding along on the train at Disneyland. Yeah, that's really wet. Let's see if we can get it to loosen up. I don't know if it will. Hey, throwing paint at me. Alright, let's see if that works. Yeah, so that's it. This paint is shot, and I will have to kiss it goodbye. That's what you get for buying paint at a garage sale. Be back in a second. Get out of my chair. I'm in the middle of painting. Go on. Kitty cat's in my chair. We don't want that. We're working on a painting here. Maybe. Maybe not. Let's put you on pause. Okay, so I'm back. Took some work to do it, but I got some blue here. And then take my black mush, water, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to add that to that. Make it a little bit thicker. This way it doesn't pour off the side of my diorama and get on the Grand Canyon. We really do not want that. Besides, you won't be seeing it. It'll be on the back. So here's the top again. See, it was trying to drip off already. Now I can apply it on there. That's better. See, it's darker and it's thicker. And once I get it on here, you're riding a train, on the diorama side, it's going to be dark. You're not going to see it. So we'll go ahead and mix that some more. Feel like William Alexander, whatever his name was, Bill Alexander. So here we're going to paint it all in. Of course, it probably won't stay once I put the hot glue in there and mix it together and try to get it to stick. We hope it will. But I don't know. We'll see. So I just put that in there. Obviously, it's too much blue. Okay, so we put that blue on there, right? It'll dry on. I should say not in. Of course, I can see right through it. So I'll have to put many layers, I'm sure. Look at it though. Kind of get the, which way we're going? There we go. Kind of get the idea that, hey, look, it's not see-through. You can't see out of it anymore. Of course, it looks glossy here. Dang, have to figure out this thing, which way it's facing. Like that. So you can see the difference here compared to the clear, which you can see all the way through here. You can see everything like my mouse and all the way through there. This one you cannot. So please subscribe to my channel. Where, you ask? I believe it's down here where you subscribe. There'll be a button there to subscribe to, but that's about all I can tell you. Thanks for watching. And when this dries, I'll put on the second coat, and you can watch my next video. Remember, keep on trucking. I don't know. Now just remember, the smoking lamp is out.